What's up, everybody? This is Rashid Ali, aka Green Ranger I Am from Gaminati Entertainment, and today we got Trey showing us the XR1 Lite Capture Card from EVGA. And he just, how you miss when you cutting it open, bro? We literally rehearsed and he still messed it up. It's crazy. But some of the features of that, it supports up to 4K at 60 frames per second pass through. It supports up to 1080p at 60 frames per second capture. It also supports PC and gaming consoles, so whether you're a PC gamer or a console gamer, you can use it with either one. And it has a USB 3.0 connection. It's almost like he's never opened a box before. So there goes the cord and the HDMI and all that. Your operating system, you want to make sure that you have at least Windows 10, an Intel Core i5-6XXX or better, you know what I'm saying, a Mac OS Sierra. You want to make sure basically that you have a fairly modern operating system. So don't try running this with Windows 95 or with your grandpa's old computer, because it ain't wow. The food, bro, what is wrong with you, bro? Why would you rip it open like that? Don't rip the box. Anyways, look at this design. It's a beautiful, sleek black design. I love the way it looks. Look at the beautiful inputs and outputs. Look, if you want to get one for yourself, all you got to do is click our affiliate link and buy it straight through our link for just $79.99. And of course, free shipping if you've got an Amazon Prime subscription.